Morning guys, Scott with Flip and Customized, and today we're on our way up to Dedrick's Auto. My buddy Dan did a special little build project on a customer's vehicle, and it's not an LS. So we're gonna go check out some dyno pulls and what he did. I'll show you what it's all about. If you haven't liked and subscribed to our channel, please do so. It does definitely help us grow. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we are at Dedrick's Auto, and this is the surprise I was talking about. A letdown? Nope, I think not. This is a 17 Colorado, and I'll let Dan over here explain what's going on with this thing. What we got, Dan?
So we have a 17 Chevy Colorado. It was completely stock. The customer dropped it off with a Hamburger supercharger kit, which we installed.
Just absolutely sweet.
Really, really nice kit.
And this is the V6.
3.6 liter V6. Yep.
3.6.
Yep.
And you did a baseline dyno pull.
Baseline dyno pull was 270 and 250 foot-pounds of torque.
Which is very respectable.
And this supercharger is actually putting out just under 11 pounds of boost. And it's making, 380 horse and 350 foot-pounds of torque now.
Which is awesome.
Definitely a sleeper.
So this is a respectable little truck right here. And not the norm. It's not the LS stuff that he's used to doing. So
definitely different, but that's what made it fun.
And that's what makes it fun and different, something fun to do. So we'll play you guys the video of the dyno pulls. Let us know what you think. Drop a comment. And Dan is the man for tuning.